In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Chrome Auto Sign-In. Auto Sign-In is the feature that links your Chrome browser to your Google account automatically when you sign in to a Google site like Gmail or YouTube. If you prefer to keep your browser profile separate, or you use shared or managed devices, turning this off gives you more control over your data and what gets synced. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in the profile where you want this change to apply, since settings are profile specific. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots, also known as the More menu. This opens a drop-down with all your browser options. From that menu, click Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page in a new tab, where you can adjust privacy, syncing, and account preferences. On the settings page, go to the section labeled You and Google. This is where Chrome groups everything related to your Google account, profiles, and syncing. Now click Sync and Google Services. This area controls what information is synced across devices and how Chrome connects to your Google account. Find the option that says Allow Google Sign-In. In some versions, you might see it labeled as Allow Chrome Sign-In. Toggle this off. When this switch is off, Chrome will no longer automatically sign your browser into your Google account just because you signed in on a Google website. You can still sign into websites like Gmail normally. This change simply prevents Chrome itself from becoming linked and syncing without your explicit choice. A quick note on what this means for you. With auto sign-in disabled, bookmarks, history, passwords, and other data won't sync unless you manually sign into Chrome. This is great if you want to stay signed into sites, but keep your browser profile local. If you rely on sync across multiple devices, you can always come back and turn this toggle back on. If the wording looks slightly different in your version of Chrome, don't worry. Google occasionally updates labels, but the setting lives in the same Sync and Google Services area. Changes take effect right away. And that's it. Open Chrome, go to the three dots, Settings, You and Google, then Sync and Google Services, and switch off Allow Google Sign-In. You've now disabled Chrome's Auto Sign-In and taken control of when and how your browser connects to your Google account.